I'm Professor Matt Liberatore, and today we're going to discuss creating and grading YouTube problems for any class. First, what pieces make up a YouTube problem? A student or group of students picks a video related to the course. I teach chemical engineering, so videos commonly involve creating and using energy, like blowing things up, making new products, phase changes, or chemical reactions. After students pick a video, the assignment includes 3 parts to be submitted for grading. A problem statement with 1 or more questions, a complete solution similar to the course's textbook or quizzes or exams for the course, and a written reflective summary relating their new creative problem to the topics or concepts covered in the course. The styles of the problems vary greatly, as would be expected for an open-ended assignment. For example, students have written problems about producing food or drinks, other times more engineering-type videos or real-world situations, like creating crayons from raw materials has been a great question for a material and energy balances course. Still others may fall under the fact versus fiction, prove or disprove something that occurred in a video, like the Mythbusters used to do. Finding both a great video and writing an interesting and difficult problem, appropriately difficult for the course, is the central challenge of YouTube problems. Sometimes the video is just great and super entertaining and short and to the point, but the problem is simple or plain or just regurgitates a textbook example or something like that. Sometimes the problem is really interesting and very appropriately difficult for the course, but the video is either long or boring. The sweet spot is both an interesting video combined with an engaging problem. We believe that YouTube problems save instructors time in creating problems for future quizzes, homework. By putting those YouTube problems in the course, we can use them later on and really engage students. How do I grade YouTube problems objectively? So there are 5 components to the rubric that I use. The rubrics are a great way to align the requirements of a problem with the criteria. I've generally used 5 criteria, and the rubric lists specific things that earn an A for that criteria. First, the reflective summary ties together the YouTube problem and the course. Specifically, is the summary correct number of words? Usually I say 200 to 250. Shorter is sometimes fine. Listing of course concepts covered in the problem and how the videos incorporated into the problem are part of the reflective summary. Next is a criteria about the video. Is the video new or interesting and not too long? We use less than 5 minutes as our general rule, and interesting can mean entertaining, educational, or outside the box, but needs to be appropriate for an engineering classroom, or similarly in the engineering workforce. Would you show your boss this video? The next criteria is quantitatively tying the video and the problem together. So that's in the rubric. It's usually about 10% of the points, and it's usually awarded to almost all the students. You usually get a full score on that 3rd criteria. Finally, about half the points are for the problem statement and solution. The problem should be clear, articulate, and ask questions that are comparable to what we call end of chapter or summative problems found in many engineering textbooks. Similarly, the solution should be professionally formatted, not handwritten, include step-by-step instructions, including all the important equations and some written explanations to act as a guide. A link to a worksheet below can help you create YouTube problems for your class. I hope you find YouTube problems a valuable resource for your class and new creative problems are added to your courses in the future.